Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SAMSUNG Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is obviously required for this operation for downloading something. And then we have to find the Play Store, which is... Where's the Play Store? Okay, here we've got it. So let's enter. And of course, if you're not currently signed in, you will have to do it. After it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the circle, which is your account. So let me tap on it and tap on my apps and games. And as you can see, immediately we are on the update section. Here we've got the list of all updates pending. So as you can see, you can update all of those apps if you want to. Sorry, just by tapping on this button. But if not, just find the apps which you would like to update. So let me pick, for example, I don't know, maybe Google, and tap on update. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list, and right now your device will download the update, and after that it will successfully install it and automatically update the app. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your SAMSUNG Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.